Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. #tutorial, Controlling Decimal Precision in NumPy. NumPy is a powerful library in Python for numerical computing. One of the important aspects of numerical computing is managing decimal precision, especially when dealing with floating point numbers. In this tutorial, we will explore how to control and display decimal precision in NumPy. #1. Understanding floating point precision. Floating point numbers can represent a wide range of values, but they are not always accurate to the last digit due to how they are stored in memory. This can lead to unexpected results in calculations. Therefore, it is often useful to control how many decimal places are shown in the output. #2. Setting decimal precision. NumPy provides several options for adjusting the display of floating point numbers. np.set_print options, this function allows you to set the formatting options for NumPy arrays. np.round, this function can be used to round the elements of an array to a specified number of decimals. #3. Using np.set_print options. The np.set_print options function can be used to set the precision for all NumPy arrays printed in your session. Here's how to use it. Output asterisk. #4. Rounding with np.round. If you want to round the values of an array to a specific number of decimal places without changing the global print settings, you can use np.round. Output asterisk. #5. Example, combining both approaches. You can combine both the np.set_print options and np.round methods for better control over your output. Output asterisk. #6. Resetting print options. If you want to reset the print options to the default settings, you can do this by calling np.set_print options without any arguments. #conclusion. Controlling decimal precision in NumPy is essential for presenting numerical data clearly and accurately. By using np.set_print options and np.round, you can customize how floating point numbers are displayed and manage precision according to your needs. This can be particularly useful in scientific computing, data analysis, and reporting results.